All right, PDR beginners, never quit. At first, you will feel like an imposter because there is so much unknown. And in fact, many will doubt you for even starting in the first place. Never quit. Along the way, you will have many failures, but you can never quit. You will have moments of success followed by humbling lows, but you must never quit. You will be tired from long days and exhausted from problem solving and ache from head to toe, but you must never quit. You will laugh harder than you ever have and experience pain from your deepest core, but it will become easy to remember to never quit. If it's important to you, then you only have one choice: never quit. Now work hard and go be great.